Top 3 best deep cleaning services in Dubai. Most people choose a deep cleaning service in Dubai for the wrong reason: a discount, a fast booking page, or a promise that everything will be spotless in a few hours. But the real test starts later. When the team arrives, the home has awkward corners, and you find out whether the service is really built for consistency, not just marketing. That is what decides this ranking. Not who sounds the most polished at first, but which service seems most likely to reduce stress once the cleaning has to be done properly. What matters before choosing. In Dubai, the smartest comparison is not just price. It is booking ease, staff quality, and service structure. Some platforms are stronger if you want to compare several vetted providers. Others feel better when you want one brand, one system, and a cleaner process from booking to follow-up. That is why these three stand out for different reasons. One is strongest for flexibility and choice. One rises because its deep cleaning setup feels especially detailed, and one usually takes the top spot because it keeps the whole experience feeling smoother before, during, and after the booking. Option 3. Service Market for smart comparison. Service Market earns this spot because it is very useful if you do not want to commit blindly to one provider. Its Dubai deep cleaning page says its partner companies are rated, reviewed, and vetted, available 7 days a week, and ready to arrive with trained teams and equipment. The company also says it has been operating since 2013 with a network of over 250 service providers and more than 150,000 happy customers. What keeps it in third is simple. Service Market is strongest when you want choice and comparison, but the next two feel a little cleaner if you prefer one service brand owning more of the experience from start to finish. Option 2. Urban Company for deeper service structure. Urban Company moves into second because its deep cleaning offer feels very built around the job itself.
Its Dubai page highlights verified and insured cleaners, a 4.8 plus rating, and tailored deep cleaning coverage for apartments and villas, including kitchens, bathrooms, balconies,
bedrooms, and living spaces. It also emphasizes trained professionals and different service formats for different home sizes, which matters more than people think once the property gets larger. That is what pushes it above a comparison marketplace. Urban Company feels stronger when the main priority is a more standardized deep cleaning workflow, not just finding a provider quickly. What keeps it out of first place is that the winner usually feels even more natural for Dubai residents who want speed, trust, and broader home service continuity in one place. Option 1. Just Life for the strongest overall fit. Just Life takes the top spot because it resolves the question from the opening better than the others. Its UAE pages position it as a super app for home services with same-day availability, booking in less than 60 seconds, well-trained professionals, and an average rating of 4.78 out of 5. Just Life also says it had a 4.8 overall rating based on 38,757 reviews as of October 2025, which gives it a stronger sense of everyday trust than most local competitors. That matters because the best deep cleaning service in Dubai is rarely the one with the loudest promise. It is the one that still feels organized when scheduling, trust, and follow-up all matter at once. For the widest range of homes and users, Just Life usually feels like the strongest overall pick, with Urban Company close behind for more structured deep cleaning depth, and Service Market right after that for people who want more comparison before booking. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.